This is here the topic name is here the relationship.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The relationship operation is nothing but here is the inverse relationship. Okay. Inverse
Yes.
means in Hindi it is ulta. Okay. Inverse na that na what is the inverse relationship? Here nothing but for addition we do the subtraction. And for multiplication, we do the division. And why we do? Because whenever you do any operation, you want to check that your operation is correct or not. Then when you want
Yes.
to check addition, we are doing subtraction. When you want to check
Yes.
multiplication, we are doing division. And same in
Sir,
the
I
inverse also.
yes.
Okay, result?
Yes, sir.
This is a simple concept. Whenever you want
Yes.
to check your own operation, that in the
Yes.
two ways, that this your operation is correct or not. If you want to check subtraction, you generally do the addition. Okay. If you
Sir,
want to
if
check
you,
division, you check the multiplication. Do the multiplication.
sir, if you have any doubt for addition and you check the answer, so we subtract the value for sir, we will subtract and then multiplication, we will do division.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here only the simple example here also is given. See here in the table. Here is the
Sir, I wrote.
operation and inverse operation. For addition plus the subtraction is
Subtract.
okay. And for subtraction, it is the addition. For multiplication, it is the division. And for division, it is the multiplication.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Just check here.
Example.
If example here 27 into 23 into 17 equal to 40. Then we can
40.
subtract 40 minus 17 equal to 23 and 40 minus 23 equal to 17. It is correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, if you have a doubt, sir, we have a doubt in addition, so we will do the total value and from 17 or 20, a number that is given, and the answer is, for example, 14 minus 17 equals to 26, so that is correct. And 14
Yes.
minus 23 equals to 17, well, that is correct.
Yes.
We can cross check it. This is a formula of how we can, if you doubt, how we can cross it.
Yes, proxy, and you will get the confidence that your operation is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no? That's why we do the addition using subtraction and vice versa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see the second example is also it is simple. 45 plus 20 is equal to 73. And then for checking we are doing 73 minus 45 equal to 28. Okay. Similarly for subtraction here also it is correct.
Sir, I have doubt.
Just tell me.
Sir, in there was some 45 plus 28 equals to 73. Then check is 73 minus 45 equals to 28. So, sir, how I also do with this 73 minus 28 equals to 45? Math kar sakte.
Yes, no? You can go two ways, no? That's why it is given. No? Here it is a plus. Okay, 47 minus 45 equal to 92. Okay, no? You can do here 92 minus 45 equal to 47. Otherwise, you can do here 92 minus 47.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can also do 97 minus 47, and that is equal to 45.
45. Yes, sir.
Okay, both way you can check.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Could you go ahead? Multiplication and division.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like we have done for addition and subtraction, here it is for multiplication and division.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if
and
we
this is
multiply sir 63, then we will divide the 63 from 9. 63 divided by 9. Or sir, we will also do 7. 63 divided by 7 equals to 9.
yes. Like in table. Okay, now this is 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 63. Or 7 multiplied 9 is also 63.
63.
Okay, like 6 multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Or 8 multiplied by 6 is also 48.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and for checking, this one we are do the division.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you have understood the both concept. And why
Yes,
do
sir.
inversion? This is for checking the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, sir.
No, just read here problem.
Sir, question number 4 problem. Ravi has 76. So, Ravi has rupees 76. He gave rupees 29 to his brother. How much is left?
Yes.
Solution using subtraction.
Yes.
Sir, first we subtract that 76 minus 29, that is equals to 47. And if we check those, so we will add 47 plus 29 or 47 plus also 47 plus 29.
Okay, have you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now go to next one.
Yes, sir.
Example
Problem
two.
number 2. Sir, a packet has 7 pens. Total pens equals to 63. How many packets solution using division? Sir, first we divide 63 from 7 equals to 9 packets. And sir, if we check the sub, we will multiply 9 7 just 63. Yes, sir.
Okay, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. Today tips is this one, simple tips. Okay, na? We double check the answer using the inverse operation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then there is a assignment is there. You can do the assignment and you can send on the paper and the paper screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And also we have shared the questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In summary, you can say addition and subtraction is inverse and multiplication and division is also inverse operation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more question do you have? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No, sir. Clear.
Clear. Okay then. Okay. Thank you, beta then.
Thank you, sir.